Hello friends, a very warm welcome to this midweek analysis. Today is Wednesday 25th of October and we are here to analyze indices Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So from where we shall begin. So there was a severe fall on a Monday with yesterday being a Dashera holiday, and today we are going to resume the trading again back. Let us start with Monday's message. So on a Monday, we plotted our range. Nifty range may be 19,500 to 19,800. Bank Nifty range may be 43,500 to 45,000. Both the indices are not in sync. Nifty is still in the range of 19,500 and 19,850. So unless it breaks down, we need to observe carefully. Bank Nifty is below 43,900. So as long as hourly price is below 43,900, consider this as a stop loss for a bearish trade. We may see a target of 43,117. How glorious is the day when this target got completed in a jiffy, in a very quick run on a Monday. So I'm suggesting do manage your positions and trade only a high risk to reward trade. So truncated week ahead. Tuesday will be a holiday on account of Dashera. So the Fin Nifty expiry as well as mid cap Nifty expiry will be today, which may add some more volatility. So typically market behaves in this manner. Whenever there is a truncated week, we typically get 2 days action in one day prior to the holiday or the day after holiday. Now that we have got a good selling action on Monday, and even in case of Nifty, we are already below semi-annual pivot as well as the low of 19,333 is taken out. What we really need here is a follow-up to this action. Going forward, 19,410 can act as a resistance, and from there ideally typically Nifty price should start dropping. It should quickly go below the level of 19,220, and then and only then we can confirm that further bearishness is still there. Bank Nifty is right on the course. First target is completed. Let us calculate second target for the coming 2-3 days. So there are 3 trading sessions in this week still pending. Let us go to Nifty chart to analyze how do we look at Nifty. So this is how it is. Or over the weekend we saw bullish trades only and only above 19,680, and we never got an opportunity to trade any bullish trades. The market opened weak and then it just gave up on the gains. It was a fantastic day on a Monday, and Monday was all for a short sellers. So the semi-annual pivot is taken out. We are inching towards the low of the range. It may so happen that this 19,200 level should ideally get broken. And how do we calculate our first target? Now that the low of 4th October is taken out, the target, the natural target that seems $19,091. Okay, so 19,100 can be one of the target. Now there is one requirement that we have. We will still need a close below Monday's action. Okay, so Monday's lows are important now because this is a very good support area. We need a quick breakdown below this. So 19,091 or 19,100 can be tested. After 19,100 tested, then there can be some bounce, a retracement bounce. That retracement bounce typically is around 50% of the last fall. So let the market confirm if it is taking a support at some point at the range low or at this Fibonacci target, and if it starts bouncing, then that 50% of this total fall can be considered as a retracement or a target as of now. Okay, now since we are below semi-annual pivot and both the indices are below semi-annual pivot, then we can say that now both the indices are in the sync, and then the fall should intensify. Okay, so for the fall to intensify, we should see today's close below 19,220. If it fails to close below 19,220, or if it intend to print some kind of a inside bar within this Monday's action, then in that case this can be tricky, right? So let us observe. After a great momentum on a Monday, I do not expect again a great momentum on today's day. There has to be some inside bar, some inside candle, some kind of a consolidation before the next leg of fall. So let us observe here. This Monday's trade has given us good returns on the investment, good fantastic trades with a very small stop loss. So let us enjoy that glory for now, observe, and if the low gets taken out, then we can get into the next leg of trade. This is how I am looking at it. The target as of now is the range low. Range low is 19,200, and another 100 point can be added to the kitty if it obliges as per the Fibonacci target. So far Nifty was consolidating or in a sideways manner. After 1 month it has broken that sideways trend and it has shown some kind of a decisive move. So now here at this point in time, the bearish targets are not very lucrative. If we consider the target as 19,091, the target is hardly 200 points, less than 200 points. So that will not be an attractive point after a gap down opening or so. So let us observe the price. If the price giving us follow up, then and only then on a lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, we'll be able to trade for this target of 19,091. As for Bank Nifty, if you can see, the target, right, this 43,117 target already got completed. This was the Fibonacci target that I had mentioned in the market. क्या लगता है target 43,117 is the target that I am mentioning. So this target got completed, 43,117, and now since we have completed this target, it is prudent that there should be some kind of a bounce in Bank Nifty. It may so happen that Bank Nifty, which has already crossed below this level 43,500, it is broken decisively. So currently we are trading at 43,186. The range for this period can be, so before we calculate the range, let us actually calculate the Fibonacci target, and then we can set the range accordingly. So on the basis of Fibonacci, so Fib target, first target got completed 43,244, second target 42,845 is pending, and this can be a possible target if we get a follow up to Monday's action. So this can be one of the target which is possible. Okay, now for the range part, it can be 43,500 to 42,800. 43,500 43,500 and 42,800, right? So this is what the range looks like for the remaining 2 to 3 days. This is what I'm expecting. Let the price confirm. Ideally we should not break above the range high, and if at all we break above the range high, 43,900 will act as a strong resistance going forward. So pretty simple. Bank Nifty is more bearish or underperforming. Nifty is stronger but finally started to give up. Now today's day will be crucial. I'm expecting an inside bar today, not a follow up to the bearish action. It should just consolidate for a day or two, and then we should see some next leg of fall is what the expectation is. If we get a fall, wonderful, no questions asked. If we get a entry below this low, then keep your tight stop loss, because the bearish targets are not very lucrative, right? So if you are trading for 100 200 point, don't keep a stop loss of 50 to 100 points. Keep a smaller stop loss on lower time frame. Trade on a 5 minute or a 15-minute time frame, and that should serve the purpose. This is how I want you to look at it. This is going to be a festival season. Market is in a wonderful scenario or momentum. Make most of this scenario. If you have any questions, do post it on the YouTube comments. Let me know. I'll try to answer them. Thank you so much, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.